Hello friends, welcome back. So in the last step we saw how to the set up the Spring Cloud config server. So we have done the setup of Spring Cloud config server. Okay, so basically this setup we have done, and we have a limit service, but limit service is not yet connected with the Spring Cloud config server. Okay, and Spring Cloud config server need to connect with Git. So in this step we will be installing a Git, and thereafter we will set up a Git local repository. Okay, so how we need to do? Go to the first let's go there, and you need to install the Git. So you just don't need to do anything, just type a Git here. So go there. Okay, and thereafter for the Windows, if you are in the Windows operating system, just need to download here, and after downloading you just need to click next, and the Git will be installed in your local machine. So once the the installation is done, you just need to go to the your command prompt, and thereafter you need to create a one folder, and on that folder you need to create a local Git repository. Okay, so once this installation is done, that will be a cake for you, I assuming, because once the download you need to just click the next, and these things will get installed. Okay, so how we will do that? So let's go in some particular folder. Let's come here. Okay, in this folder, so here create one git uh, git hyphen local hyphen config hyphen repo. Okay, so copy this path. Okay, and go to the prompt and go to that path basically from here. Okay, and here you need to execute the command git init. So initialize the git. Okay, so see here, initialized empty git repository in this particular folder, and .git file or folder will get created in this particular folder. Okay, and another way is, once you install the git, you will have a git bash. Okay, so you can go here in the particular folder, you can right click here and git bash here. Once you install the git, you will be viewing the git bash here. This option will come here. So once you click this, okay, so this will give you a Unix like command prompt and GUI. So here you can also type git init in the same folder. Okay, so it will also give you the reinitialize existing git repository. So both are same, either you are doing from the DOS or from the git bash. But if you are more familiar with the Unix, then this will give you the Unix kind of the look and feel, and the command as well. So you can do from here. But if you are on the Windows side, so I can suggest you to go with the DOS prompt only. So here you have executed the git init, and you have initialized the git repository. So if you come here in the folder, so you will be seeing the file here. So currently the file have created in a hidden. Okay, so you just need to create a hidden item, select hidden item. So if you see, .git file have got created. Okay, so far you installed the git, and thereafter installing the git, you have created a local git repository. So once the local git repository is created, you need to the link establish the link between the your microservice Spring Cloud config server with the Git. So how will you do that? It's a very simple. So go to the folder, copy this path. Okay, and thereafter go to the microservices project. Okay, so this is the Spring Cloud config server, your project. Right click that, go to the properties, go to the Java build path, and see here the link source option will be here. Click that link source. Okay, give the complete path name, copy this the last folder name git local config repo, copy this, put here in the folder name, and finish. So once you finish that, you will be seeing here the git local config repo Spring Cloud config server is having the git local config repo with this path. Apply, close. If you see here, in the Spring Cloud config server project, okay, you will have a git local config repo here. Okay, so this is how you are linking the git local git repository with your Spring Cloud config server. Okay, so let's you have created a git local config repository. Okay, so let's create this configuration one configuration file here. So new other select a file. So it's already not available, you can type here. Okay, so file will come here. Next, okay, so give the file name. So you are creating a config for limit service, right? So limit service dot properties, finish. Okay, now you have a ready file with limit service properties. So now come here, this is the application properties file. You need to go into the limit service and copy the same configuration here. Okay, control C and go here in the local git repository properties file, and to identify the difference of the different configuration, just type 4 or 444 and save it. So once that is saved, okay, you will have to you have just saved to your local drive, but this has not got saved into your local git repository. So what you need to do, you need to commit into the local git repository. So you are into the same folder. So if you see here how you need to git add hyphen a for all file, done. Then git, if you want to check the status, check this file. So new file is one is available, so you need to commit this git commit one m and first version, let's say. Okay, so one file changed, two line insertion. So if you see here, the two line have got inserted line, and the create mode limit service dot properties. Okay, so you have committed this file, you have put into the local git repository. Okay, so and this is how you have linked and make the configuration file, okay, in a local git repository. Okay, so in this step we have created a local git repository and we have installed this. So in the in the next step, what we will do, we will connect the Spring Cloud config server with git. Okay, so bye bye until then, next video. Thank you.